In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pixel art in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll be able to prompt Gemini for charming, blocky graphics that look like they came straight out of a classic game. First, open Google Gemini and start a new chat. A fresh chat keeps your instructions focused so the model understands you're working on a single task. If you've been experimenting with other ideas, clearing the conversation can help Gemini stay on track with pixel art specifically. Next, choose a simple subject. Pixel art shines when the idea is clear and readable at a small scale. Think along the lines of a tiny character, a cute animal, a retro icon, or a basic object like a sword, a star, or a coffee cup. Simple shapes and bold silhouettes are easier for the model to capture with clean, blocky pixels. Now write your prompt for a pixel art style. Use phrases like pixel art or 8-bit style so Gemini knows the aesthetic you want. Ask for blocky pixels to avoid smooth gradients, and mention simple shading for that classic chunky look. It also helps to say the subject should be simple and centered, so the main focus lands right in the middle and reads well at small sizes. Here are a few examples you can adapt. Create pixel art of a small 8-bit style fox, blocky pixels, simple shading, centered. Or, pixel art mushroom icon, 8-bit style, blocky pixels, simple shading, centered on a plain background. You can specify colors too, like red scarf or blue shell, to guide the palette. Send the prompt and give Gemini a moment to generate the image. If the first result isn't quite right, adjust your wording. Clarify the size of the subject, the color you want, or the background being plain or transparent if that's supported. Small tweaks like make the character face forward or use a light background can make a big difference in readability. When you're happy with the result, save the image. Look for the built-in download or save option in the interface and store it in a project folder so you can find it later. If you want to explore variations, try different colors, swap the character for another simple subject, or ask for the same icon in multiple colorways. Keep your instructions consistent, still asking for pixel art, blocky pixels, simple shading, and a centered subject, so your results feel cohesive. That's it. Open Gemini, pick a simple idea, write a clear pixel art prompt, generate, and save. Have fun creating your own retro-styled sprites and icons.